Give me a minute. This is your daily reminder that the war in Ukraine continues unabated. And right now, today, Donald Trump has said no more Patriot missiles or Patriot support for Ukraine. The Ukrainians need those Patriot missiles to defend against the ballistic and air-launched Kinzhal hypersonic missiles that the Russians rain down on Ukrainian cities every single day. And the only real defense against them are the Patriots. This is after the humiliation of Alaska, where he bowed down to an indicted war criminal and gave him everything he wanted, right? Traded away Ukrainian land without Ukrainian permission. Said Ukraine will never be in NATO, against the wishes of every other member of NATO, except Hungary. I know they're a holdout. What else did he do? He was supposed to insist on a ceasefire, right? That was the big thing. I'm going to slam them with tariffs and secondary sanctions if there's no ceasefire. Now suddenly we don't need a ceasefire. There are no tariffs and secondary sanctions. Once again, Trump is Taco. He's the living embodiment of Trump always chickens out. And yet his sycophantic fans think that he's the brilliant negotiator. It's Ukraine's fault that they can't get a deal. Yeah, it is Ukraine's fault that they can't get a deal, because you know why? Ukraine is not going to give up. They're not going to surrender. They're not going to capitulate to the Russian demands. They're not going to abandon 4 million Ukrainians trapped in the temporarily occupied territories to the gentle mercies of the Russian genocide. It's not going to happen. This is your daily reminder. The war in Ukraine continues unabated, and the obstacle to peace is Vladimir Putin and his lapdog, Donald Trump.